Hi, I'm Fraser, and this is my Holdframe workshop. As a product of the 80s, I grew up on action, adventure, and of course, video games. However, working in the motion design industry doesn't often give you the opportunity to explore all of these topics, so we decided to build it. Enter Super Jonny, a 16-bit world chock full of character animation and effects. Our goal with this project was to take a step back from our normal client work and scratch this nostalgia-fueled itch. In this workshop, we'll discuss what our inspiration was and our love for video games, how we achieved the complex character actions, how we assembled and animated this 16-bit world, and finally, how we got the retro look and feel just right. I hope you enjoy it.